In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate followers on Facebook. Whether you're using a mobile device or a desktop computer, I'll guide you step by step through the process. Let's start with the mobile app. First, open the Facebook app. You'll need to access the menu, which you can find as the three horizontal lines icon. It's at the bottom right corner if you're on an iPhone, or at the top right if you're on an Android device. Once you open the menu, scroll down until you see the Settings and Privacy option, and then tap on it. A new menu will appear. Tap on Settings. From here, you'll want to navigate to the section called Audience and Visibility. Find and tap Followers and Public Content. This section is crucial because it determines who can follow you and who can see your public posts. Now, it's time to decide who can follow you. Under Who Can Follow Me, you want to select Public. This is the key step that activates the follow button on your profile. By setting this to public, anyone can follow your posts, not just your friends. It opens up a broader audience for your updates. While we're still in this section, you might consider adjusting a couple of other settings for a more tailored experience. For example, under Who Can Comment on Your Public Posts, you can choose Public if you're comfortable with anyone engaging with your updates. Similarly, under Public Profile Info, set it to Public to allow followers to see basic information like your bio and profile picture. Lastly, make sure your notification settings are set to Public so you get alerted when new followers join. Now let's switch gears and talk about how to make these changes on a desktop. Start by heading over to facebook.com and logging into your account. Once you're logged in, click on your profile photo located in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy and then Settings. In the left sidebar, find and click on Privacy and then Public Posts. This is the desktop equivalent of what we just did in the app. Here, under Who Can Follow Me, ensure that Public is selected. By doing this, you'll enable the follow button on your profile, allowing anyone on Facebook to follow your public updates. As a final step, you can customize features like comment ranking, notifications, and public profile info just as you did on the app. To see how your profile appears to the public, you can go to your profile and choose View As. And that's it! You've successfully activated followers on Facebook, opening the door for more people to engage with and follow your public content. Thanks for watching and happy posting!